Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a wig from Hairvenleeh, and voila. So I unboxed this wig. I did unbox this wig in a different video, so it's very straight to the point, you know, very straight to the point. This is what the wig looks like, okay, straight out of the box. So let's take this out. Okay, so it's an 18 inches, okay, deep wave hair paired with a 6x6 closure, and yeah, it's already pre-cut, you know, but I'm gonna like bleach this part and before we'll go ahead with our install today. Okay, well, I love this. I love that it comes pre-styled, pre-cut, because it's just easy to like throw on. Okay, so let me just get my, you know, let me tint this and also wet the hair, and I would be okay. So we are done with tinting, and I've also wet the hair. So this is what the curls looks like currently, and you can see the scarf is giving like natural scarf. As you can see, it wasn't like as white as it was before. That's because I now bleached it, and yeah, and then this is what the curls look like. So let's keep this aside and let's prep our hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this, my got2b spray. Now let's draw our hair on. So can you see that even without me having to like apply like any glue or anything, can you see how it's sitting like on my scalp? You can see this is like from the foundation I used, but you can see how it's sitting on my scalp even without having to use any glue whatsoever. So but I'm gonna use glue for the sake of this video, or like a spray basically, just to hold it down like a bit, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll do that and come back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'll clean this off, and then we'll just place this on it. Okay, we'll just place this on it this way, and there we go. Okay, there we go, because I'm not going anywhere, you know, today, so I just want this to be as, you know, easy to take out as possible. So we are going to use our blow dryer again. I have that here, so we'll blow dry it, and then before we tie. Okay, so I just finished using my blow dryer on it. Now you can see how this hair is giving, like it's giving already. I haven't even tied, but let us go ahead and tie it, okay, just for a few minutes. Can you see the volume of this hair? Can you see the volume even without having to do so much? Can you see the volume? Now let's take out our band. So let's use our brush now to just things. Can you guys see what this hair is giving? Can you see? I didn't even need to do too much. Like, I didn't need to do too much. You see the reason why I would continue to shop from Hairvenleeh? Can you see, guys? Because this hair came pre-cut, you know, pre-styled already. All I needed to do was just add like a little bit of my hair mousse and then my, you know, leave-in conditioner and water, and that was it. Can you see the curls? Can you see? Can you see? Oh, this hair, guys, is giving as if it's growing from my scalp. It's giving I just arrived. It's giving I just resumed. It's giving newly wedded bride, you know. So tell me why you would not be shopping from Hairvenleeh. Tell me, just tell me why you wouldn't be shopping from them. Like, see the way it's, you know, it's very soft, like very. So you guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know if you love this hair. Like I said, I always leave the hair details on the screen. It's an 18 inches deep wave. It comes with a, you know, 6x6 closure. You can, if you want it to come in a 5x5 closure, it's very possible they can do that. And also this hair costs 130,000 naira only. Okay, so if you want to shop from them, feel free to reach out to them. I always leave their handle on the screen, and I would also add their WhatsApp number just in case you want to go through WhatsApp. Okay, but let us give 1 minute to this hair before we go. Okay, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.